What am I going to do with my Unimog? That's the big question of this video. And I'd like you to throw it down below, give me in the comments, and to where we all get into discussion and talk about it, to where I'd like some input from my subscribers and anybody out there that sees this video to tell me, what would you do? Leave it on or take it off. Take it off, it don't look like a Unimog. Leave it on, it looks like it's wrecked. So it is wrecked, but obviously, and I'm going to tell the story about it, and it's a cool story. Here we go.
Hi guys!
Hey, it's Vlad.
Hey, it's Daddy!
One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. I got all kinds of cars out here, man. Some cool Fords coming up, Dodges, Fords, all kinds of stuff coming up. We got, and what?
Now I have my favorite car here.
That's your favorite one, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's super fast.
Super fast.
Yeah.
He thinks it's super fast because it really, it thing rolls. You got some power. But we're here about the Unimog. And it's a nice Unimog. There's a story behind it. I'll tell you while I'm showing you. I'm trying to make a choice on it right now of how what we're gonna do with it.
And do you know cars with two tires and at the other side too?
The motorcycles?
No, two tires.
Okay, I gotta work. Okay, so Unimog. Story behind this is, old guy had it all done, had the tires on it, everything's ready to roll. I think it's got 15 hours on the motor, and they were going through divorce. He didn't get up to his ranch for 2.5 years until he got it all settled. The woman took an excavator and flipped it over on its top. Flipped it right over. During that, it's actually still pretty straight as far as the main core of it goes. This thing here, I'll tell you what. Look at this. Little titties all over the top of the tires. All over the sides, all over the top. Titties everywhere. And they're a 405 70 R20 XM47 from Michelin. These things are about, if you look them up, I found a set for $8 grand. That's what I found. Other than that, what we're trying to do is this. Obviously, I have what I have. Cool story and all, but cool stories don't really get rid of cars or find the person that wants it. So, with my cool story, what I'm trying to figure out to do is this. Telephone pole. Whoa, you climbed up there. Do I take this thing? And the funny thing is, when they flipped it over, you know, little things like this, no biggie, but the whole cab, motor mount's broke right there. Get to looking at it, the other motor mount's broken. Well, of course it is. Flipped it over, and we twisted on this cab a bit to get it kind of bent back up. What?
Baby chick is under here.
You buried it there?
Yeah.
From there?
Yeah.
No, who did that? You and Lily?
Yeah.
We're gonna have to bury it somewhere else. My kid's in all the videos now, and I just gotta stop and talk. One of the chickens died today, little baby chick, and she couldn't walk. So it died, and he brought it out and buried it, I guess. Okay, so, and this mount over here is also sheared off right there. So the only thing holding the cab on right now, essentially, since the steering dongle there is off the main part. Wow, Rich bent that up. It's sick of almost getting hit in the head with it. It was laying down. Hang on. No climbing the telephone pole. Jeez Louise, this kid. He's a holy terror. I think I'm getting my payback or something. I'm telling you what, you turn around for a minute, he's wanting a picture taken. So with the e-brake and these pedals and stuff being the only thing holding this on, what we was thinking about doing, just to where we maintain, I guess you'd say, the integrity of the shifting, is taking the Sawzall right across here and just keeping all this part of the dash, so you keep a little cockpit part right here, and just yank the rest off with the skid steer. There's a couple things on it, like I say, tearing the battery box off, tear this tank off. This little clip got broke on this. Which one? One of these. Maybe it's something else. It's on the other side. But you see what I mean. It's here. Like, this pair got bent just a little bit. It's all easy stuff, except for obviously the cab. We're out here trying to get it started, and good thing we looked it up and figured out it's 24 volt. So yeah, cool stuff. That's the Unimog, and what I want to know is, what should I do with it? Would you sell it, get it running like you can, and sell it with the cab to where basically it still looks like a Unimog? Or would you take said cab off, since cab's worthless anyways? Any idiot knows that you ain't gonna be able to fix this cab. So I mean, kind of worthless on there. I mean, you could set the cab next to it when I'm telling my cool story about the guy that lost his Unimog. But at the end of the day, all it is a story, and somebody's gonna throw this thing away, the cab. So really wish, or yard art, man, that'd make cool yard art. Just sit down on top of your building or something. Okay, so throw it down below. Give me some opinions. If you're in the live stream here, don't throw it in the live stream, or you can, but throw it below too, to where everybody can see it. Put an actual comment, and that's what I'm wondering. Other than that, I'm gonna try and get that re-videoed again because I've had it so long. The white truck just came up. I got a video of that. I got a preview of that, and pretty much got the 78 Ford coming up and a couple others. So that's the deal. Hopefully you can give me some info on that. Tell me what you think. Throw it down in the comments below. Like, video, subscribe, all that. I don't know if you can hear that. My woman hates that. It says an idiot is trying to reach you on your cellular device. But that's that. Thanks for watching. Have a great day or night, whatever it is, wherever you are. OneOwnerCarGuy.com. Like I say, all kinds of cool stuff coming up. In fact, just got the video of that done. Check it out. Check out all my other videos. I put up about a dozen in the last 2 weeks. We'll talk to you.